Was it what you expected in there? Was it?
No, I just thought I was going to get drunk every day. That's what I thought, because I didn't see all the last series, so I just thought, and if I get voted out, go on the piss with you two.
Well, that would have been fun as well, of
Yeah.
course. But we said earlier on, and we've said through this year, you found it very hard the first couple of days, didn't you, Kerry?
I'm a wimp. Can't believe I'm sat here, I'm gobsmacked.
What turned that round?
These lot,
Yeah?
them.
Really?
Yeah, and the voices of God. And the Bush Tucker grass thingy me
You
Bobby.
did get a lot of support from,
They were
from all the other
fantastic. I
celebrities.
love them all to bits. They're brilliant. Each and every one of you, you're fantastic. Cheers.
Because it looked very early on like you couldn't take any more and you were going to go. And you came down to do that first Bush Tucker trial with us, and we didn't think you were going to last much longer after that.
No, I don't know. I must have had my drink spiked.
that didn't happen in there. Listen, you done another Bush Tucker trial.
Yeah.
It wasn't the one you wanted. In
cocked
fact, it
up
was the
big
one you
time.
were fearing.
Yeah.
Let's remind ourselves of that moment. Here it is.
Go, Kerry! Yes! Well done, well done. Oh my goodness!
2, 3, go.
Okay, that's it.
No.
Sorry.
No.
Okay.
That's all right.
Okay.
I just, yeah.
That's the one.
I look like a seal, didn't I?
Did you ever think you'd do that?
Never in a minute. I don't think I'd have done it if Kate wasn't there.
Yeah.
I think
Because you were both egging each other
Yeah,
on, weren't
because
you?
Kate was there. I don't think I'd have done it otherwise.
What did it taste like? What can you remember?
Crap. Crap.
You went for the fisheye, and Katie went for the fisheye, and Jenny had one yesterday. Those fish eyes are coming back to haunt me.
Oh, you know what, Jenny? I thought I'd lost. I didn't think I'd
You can't spit it out, woman.
I didn't think I'd win. I didn't think I'd come this far. I certainly didn't think I'd win. Not after yesterday when I cocked up and Jenny done that. She's a queen to me. She's
Yeah.
fantastic, yeah. Fantastic for doing that.
Okay. Was that the turning point, that trial? Was that when you thought you were enjoying it and... Right.
I'm losing sweat.
You shut that up. You take your jacket off because it's time to put on your crown.
Oh.
We have to crown you. We've got the closest thing to royalty that we have with us. Tara Palmer Tomkinson is coming to crown you. Round of applause for the new Queen of the Jungle, ladies and gentlemen.
Oh my God, it doesn't fit.
Did you ever think you'd be sitting here?
Never in a million.
How does it feel?
I'm numb. I can't feel my legs and it feels really surreal. It does. Give me that back. It doesn't feel real. It's like a fantasy of some
Yeah.
kind.
Well,
Once
a lot of
dead.
girls have said that before, you know. Listen, there's one person who really wants to speak to you. We've
Okay.
got him on the phone. Your hubby, Brian, he should be there. We've got a bit of a surprise. Brian,
Hello,
how are you, mate?
I'm fine.
Hiya, babe.
Hiya, sweetheart. Well done, babe.
Thank you.
Now, you can't be out here because of work commitments, but you've been updated all the time with what Kerry's been up to. How's she been doing, do you think?
She's been absolutely fabulous and she looks really
Oh my
fantastic.
God.
Listen, Brian, how proud are you of Kerry and what she's done these past fortnight? Don't worry, we'll give you a moment.
15. I'm very proud of her. I'm going to start now in a minute.
Thank you.
Oh my God, it feels really weird, this does.
My knees are gone. I'm just so proud of her. I'm just so
Oh my
excited for
God,
her.
how come you got out here?
I love you.
Listen, Kerry. Kerry, you're here because everybody at home was engrossed by your time in the jungle. They all voted for you. You raised about $1 million for charity. Is there anything you'd like to say to everybody who voted back home?
Thank you so much. Really, that much?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
That's for all of the charities,
Oh,
all the celebrity
collective
charities.
charities. You've all raised
Oh my
nigh on
God.
£1 million.
Thank you so much.
You've given the public at home some excellent entertainment over the past 14 nights.
thank you.
All of you, all 10 of you have been absolutely amazing. People back home, you know, they've gone absolutely crazy for the show, so you all deserve a big round of applause. Give yourselves a big round of applause.
Well done, everybody.
Thank you all. And congratulations to our new Queen of the Jungle, Kerry McFadden. That is it from us. Kerry is the winner.